going, bro? Good. Nice meeting you, Ivan. Nice to meet you. Nice meeting you. So this is the one. Oh shoot!
Yeah,
I
you
see
saw
it.
it.
Yeah. Okay. Let me have it for like 25 minutes, and I'll get it back to you. Thank you.
Lift screen up. Remove protective plate. Disconnect flex. Remove ear speaker from old screen. Install earpiece into new screen. Connect flexes. Dry test. Install protective plate. Seal backup and screw bottom screws. Free tempered glass and screen replacement.
It's ready. Just the usual.